Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern logo using the rectangle tool and the ellipse tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the rectangle tool. Hold Alt and Shift and draw a rectangle. Fill color none from here. And take a stroke color. Perfect. Now select the rectangle tool. And draw a rectangle like this. Select these two rectangles and horizontally align center from here. Now select this. Hold Alt to copy and intersect with this line. Like this. One more intersects this side. Now select this. Press Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate, and intersect with this line, like this. Perfect. After that, select the ellipse tool. Hold Shift and draw a circle from this to this corner. Like this. Now select this. Press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus F. Hold Alt and Shift and make it some small. And intersect with this line. Copy again, and intersect this line. Like this. Okay, again select the ellipse tool. And draw a little circle from here. Now hold Alt and place it into this corner. Again select this. Hold Alt and place it here. Like this. Hold Alt and Shift and one more place it into this side. Perfect. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Change it to fill color. After that, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Okay, after that, hold Shift and select these parts. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. Okay, this is our logo. Now we need to apply some color to this logo. Okay, select this. And stroke color none from here. Again select all. And go to the gradient panel. Click here. Okay, our gradient is activated. Now select this gradient slider. And with the color picker, pick this color. Select this, and with the color picker, pick this color. Now select all, and go to the gradient tool. Now adjust the gradient way you want. Select this, press G for the gradient tool, and adjust the gradient. Perfect. After that, Select the Type tool. Click, and type the logo name. Change it to white color. I will use Nexa bold font. Now select this and group. Now select all and horizontally align the center from here. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like this video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.